guys, to another video on Leah's Nails TV. In today's video, I will be doing nail orders like usual. I'm using the nail stands just because they're nail orders, and I'm not doing them just for like a website picture, which is usually when I only do like 5 nails. That's why I'll start using the little fingers that I was using. But since I'm actually doing, you know, a nail set for someone, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the nail stands because they make it a lot more easier and less hassle. But make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. I'm waiting for the last two nails to dry, and while I'm waiting on it, I'm going to I cannot get my words out. I'm just going to go over the products I use. I get a lot of comments asking like what nail polish was there, what's the name of it. And so I'm still gonna put all the stuff down below, but I'm actually gonna say like the actual nail polishes and where I got them from and what's the name of them, and just list every single thing that I used in this video today, just so that while you're watching the video you'll know exactly what I'm talking about and where to find it at and whoop the whoop the whoop. So let me just get everything I used out. I believe this is everything. Okay, this I actually got this from, I can't believe if it was Amazon or Walmart, but it's literally just a nail clipper, and if you literally type that in you'll be able to find them. I had some from Walmart that I really love, but you know, after a while doing this they end up breaking. They break every couple months, probably every 6 months maybe. I have periods of time where I get a bunch of nail orders and sometimes where it gets kind of dry, so it kind of varies. But I would just say keep an extra one just to be safe. I actually have like a couple extra ones just to be safe, because I've literally had one quit on me and then I'm like, oh crap, I need one. This is I actually forgot the name of it. I'm gonna try to find it, and if I do I will pop it up on the screen. But it pretty much just gets the dust off the nails after I file them. I always, because even if like I leave nails sitting out at night, you know, dust can just get on them like this, so I always just do this just in case, just to make sure when I apply the polish onto them that it's a clear surface, that you know there's no dust or anything on it. This black nail polish, it is called C68251 Skull. That's like the barcode name, so if you go to Dollar Tree, Dollar General, you'll know exactly which one to get. It says it glows in black light, so there's UV light, so I don't know exactly what they mean by black light, but this was my first time having the one that glows in black light. Usually I just get the regular black one. To be honest, I don't really care as long as it's black, it does its job. But yeah, it's a LA Colors, and I really like their polish. I never had no problems with their polish, so that's pretty much what I get. This is also LA Colors. This is Undressed, and the number is CNL387, but like I said, the name of it's Undressed, so if you just look for a name you find it just like that. I typically get these from Dollar Tree or Dollar General. 9 out of 10 it's a Dollar General, and it usually costs $2 a polish. This one, kind of in this can, they usually cost $1. They're usually cheaper than these, but that's only sometimes. And this is my Modelones Gel Top Coat. I got this off of Amazon. I've been using it. Most recently I stopped kind of using beetles. I kind of just stick with this one. To me it gives a way better shine and it lasts way longer, and it also gives the nails a thicker foundation, and I really like it. If I just apply one coat and kind of do like a thick but not too thick coat, it lasts a very long time. You can tell the difference. Well, I can tell the difference. And then I also have my nail stands. Y'all can see I have multiple nail stands, but I usually just grab the first ones out the drawer, which usually end up being the same ones. But I have multiple, and they have been ran into the ground. Okay. I also have this nail filer that I actually got a pack of 12 of them off of SHEIN. If you haven't already watched my SHEIN nail supplies video, go watch it. I dropped a lot of cheap stuff in that video and also a lot of good gems, so just go watch it. I promise you will enjoy it. But I really like this. It's so cute, and I just like love it because it's something that's mine, and it's just something that I personally use, and I just smile every time I see it because I'm just so in love with it. The last but not least thing I have is my nail tips. Like I mentioned in another video, I'm not sure if it's on this channel or my main channel, Leah Nicole, but I got some new nail tips off of Ecstasy. I'm planning on doing a nail supply video soon. I don't know when, because those videos literally take all day to edit and all day to do, because I have so much stuff, like so much stuff. So I may just do a nail tip supply video so it can be real short and sweet, so I can go ahead and get y'all this. But I do still link it down below with my new videos anyways, so either way y'all have it. But I really like these. These are extra long Ballerina. I had clipped them in the video that y'all just watched because she wanted extra long, not extra long. So I did clip them a little bit. But these nails, when I tell you, they already come very, you can just tell that they're not cheaply made. They're very strong. And she also has them where they're a little bit off with sizes. I'm not gonna lie. I think it depends on just how long you get them. The worse it gets regardless, whoever you go to. But they're way better than the companies I have used before off of Amazon. Like, I really like this girl. And they're just, it's not too off where you still have a size for every nail. It's just, you know, it's hard, I guess, when you have extra long nails and you're trying to make them fit the regular nail bed. It's just harder, especially when they're full cover too. It's just real harder. But hers, 9 out of 10, you're gonna use every single nail tip for a size anyways. It's just that you have to make sure it's not gonna be the same as the ones you get that are just regular long. So I have to do that myself, unless someone literally just orders the size and keep it in that size, then it just be custom nail size, or it be the still regular one. Because the one I wear a size medium, and usually if it's just like a short, long, or medium nail set, it's a 1, a 5, a 4, a 6, and an 8. That's usually. But now, starting with these, it's a 1, a 7, no, a 1, a 8, a 7, an 8, and a 10 or 11, depends on what fit I'm really going for. If I want it, like, because sometimes you can size down and it still fits okay, or you can size up and just foul around it. It just depends on how you want them to fit. But like I said, I will be doing a nail review video a nail tip supply video very soon. I'm gonna try to do that. But yeah, I think that's everything I did use in this video. If I didn't mention something, then let me know down in the comments down below, and I'll let y'all, I'll like add you and give you the link for it. But I believe I covered everything. I hope I did. But I believe the nails are dry, so I'm about to show y'all the end result right now. Let me double check. Yeah, so this is the undressed color. I feel like it's so cute, but I've never actually worn this color. And this is the other hand. So yeah, these did come out super cute, and they literally only take me 30 minutes to do. When I'm recording, it kind of takes a little bit longer because I'm trying to make sure that y'all can get every angle there is, and to make sure y'all can kind of understand what I'm doing. If y'all do see like kind of like a purple from my ring light, it's actually from this neon sign that I have that's purple. So I could see it when I was doing the nails, and I was like, I hope it doesn't show in the video, but I'm pretty sure it will. But if you see it, then you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then maybe your vision is better than mine. I don't know. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And if you want to shop Liyahs nails, the link will be down in the comments down below. Use coupon YouTube for 20% off your purchase, and I will catch y'all guys in the next video. Liyahs nails, we out. Peace.